Hi friends, good morning. This is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to the story page. Today I thought I will tell you a story like how we have to live very happily with our husband. Okay, so this is a story about, it's called as Well Kept Secret. A very happy old couple, and there are two dolls and there is a box full of money, and the story revolves around this. I'll tell you the story now. There were a couple who lived very happily for 60 years. That is really great, right? They were being very happy and never used to hide any information. They will let out everything, and like without any secret, they will share everything, and then they were living very happily. And it so happened that that woman will have one box. It will always be locked. Then the husband will ask, what is there in that box? Everything you are telling me, you never hide anything from me, but what is inside the box? That is very curious. Like that the husband will say. And the wife will say, no, I will not let out that secret alone now. A day will come, I will reveal it to you. Like that she will say. And that man also, he will trust his wife, he will leave it like that, and he will not bother also. And no, she will become very sick as years go by, and she will realize that she is in her deathbed now. So she didn't want to hide the one secret that she had been maintaining with her husband. So she will call her husband and ask him to take that box from the top where she has left, and he will bring the box. And she will now say, you open the box. She will open the box. There will be two dolls. I showed you in the picture, right? And inside that there will be some cash also will be there. Some $90,000 or something like that. She will be having cash inside that box. And husband will be wondering, what is this dolls, like that. Then she will say, my grandmother, that is that lady's grandmother, when she was about to get married, she will call her to her home and she will advise her. And she will say that, you are going to get married at a young age, you have to live happily. I know that many times you will have some misunderstanding with your husband. That will definitely happen, but don't argue. That is the advice the woman will give to her grandchild. Don't ever argue with the husband. So you want to get rid of that tension, immediately start making dolls. She is very good in crochet, so you make dolls. So once you start making dolls, you will forget that, and the tension also will get reduced. Like that grandmother would have advised. So I was making these dolls whenever I felt humiliated, or sometimes when he shout at me, I feel like arguing, but I just controlled myself by making these dolls. Like that she will say. And the husband will be very happy. You have only two dolls. That means I have made you angry only 2 times. I am so happy. I am really blessed. Like that the old man will say. And then he will ask, what is that money? She will say, no, somehow I earned that money. But inside her heart, she knows that several times, her husband had made her angry. Several, hundreds of dolls she has actually made. And by selling those dolls, she earned that money. But she will not reveal that even in her deathbed. So that shows the bondage, a husband and wife has. Please, I am telling you to the youngsters, anytime you will definitely have some misunderstanding between your husband and wife. So at that point of time, don't argue. Let him shout or let her shout. You please keep quiet for some time. Both of them will shout. I agree. Not that I will say only men is shouting. Even women are also shouting. Please, maintain that, that argument, should not happen. If you cut that argument itself, half the problem is solved. So this is the advice I thought I will share with you. Thank you for, for your patient listening.